Embarking on our journey homeward, we spent our first night in our new motorhome at Durvashella, a tranquil village nestled at the head of Akaroa Harbour on Banks Peninsula. The serene surroundings and local charm provided a delightful start to our adventure. A couple of days later, we departed from Christchurch, heading northward towards Murchison. Our route took us over the picturesque Lewis Pass, the northernmost of New Zealand's main Southern Alps crossing.
Been here in Murchison for a couple of nights now, and today we're on the move, and we have 3 more nights left on the South Island before our ferry crossing on Sunday. Before we hit the track, we're just going to do a few bus checks, empty our grey and black water tanks and fill up our water.
Here we are, we're about to head off, but we're just going to get a couple of jobs done first. First thing is we're going to empty the grey water, so it means we're going to connect a hose to the tank, open the valve, put it down at the disposal site. The other thing is we're going to empty the cassette toilet, so it's another highlight there, right there. It's a real highlight of the day. I'm really excited. So yeah, we'll get on to this. Also, the other thing that we're doing is we're just conditioning the drinking water tanks. Just want to make sure that they're all good. So yesterday we put in some hydrogen peroxide treatment, and it's been 24 hours in the tank, in the water tanks. So what we're going to do is empty the grey water, then we'll get the water flowing from the drinking water and get it going through the grey water. So we'll be depositing it all out through the grey water tank, and then we might fill the water tank and then let it out again just to flush it, and then we'll fill it, and then we'll do a taste test. So let's see how that is. So let's get on with it. The all important gloves. No, I'm not washing the dishes. Okay. Let's get the beast done first. It's getting hot. Am I nervous or is it getting hot? This is our second time, so we're pretty much... It's getting hot, eh? Right. Identify your target. The target's down here. This is the missile.
Okay, now
Ready?
we don't need to film this part.
Yes, we do. Come right around. Ready?
Okay, that's where I'm stopping.
This is the missile.
I'm stopping there now, okay? That wasn't too bad.
Wasn't too bad.
Especially when I'm standing here.
Okay.
Okay, well done.
Okay, that's the bad one done. Put the missile back in the slot. Simple. Okay. Now, here comes the next jobby. So, this is the grey water. So we take these pins off. Second time doing this now.
The valve shut, eh?
We're gonna, oh yeah, the valve shut. We're gonna open those, unlock them. Ooh, comes off easy. And then this is the hose. It's on. One. Locked on.
Yeah.
Okay, locked and loaded. So,
and then
we identify the target. This is where you're glad.
So this is just grey water.
This is where you're glad it's not uphill to the target. The twists. Ready? Down the slot.
Do you want me to open it?
It's got that smell to it. Okay, ready? Yes.
It's a bumblebee.
Okay. So, the grey water's emptying, and very soon we're going to go and turn on the tap inside in the sink. We're going to empty the water tank into the grey water tank. Continue this. Quite good, eh?
Yeah, it is. Last one.
Last one. Last time. Okay.
Go to pick it up. Alright, bus driver, what's the plan?
Well, we're going to top up the toilet flushing bit, and then we're going to do a taste test on the water tank and see how we're getting on. So fingers crossed that this is all going to be nice and we can live off the tanks. See.
Alright. Oh yeah?
This one here, I think it is.
Time will tell.
Time will tell. Okay, so this is for the flushing of the cassette toilet, and I think that's a level. I think it must have a separate tank. That's the level for it, and I think this is the filler for it. So we're going to put some water in. Hopefully that level will go up and everything will be okay.
Oh yeah?
Up she comes.
Until when do you think?
Till the top. Not too far, just up to the top, I reckon.
How long do you think all of that took?
Probably an hour and a half by now. Get all that done. So we just need to put stuff away and we need to taste it. Do the taste test. So this is sort of like the moment of truth.
Okay.
Go get a glass and get some water out of the tap to see how it is.
Okay.
Nope, it's locked. One clean glass. Tastes good. It's good.
Any last,
No concerns.
any last goodbyes you want to say to anybody? Anything you want to tell anyone?
I'm going to take the secrets to my grave.
Okay, time to rumble, eh?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please consider subscribing, giving us a thumbs up and sharing with those who you think will enjoy it too. A massive thank you to our Patreons for your support. It means a lot to us.